Now maybe you are not sure how to join the Google Classroom. Let me explain. You will go to your Google Drive via your county password, your Forsyth County password. And if you're not sure how to find that, if you log into It's Learning and go over to your name here, you will see, let's see, under your settings maybe. No. Somehow you can see your there it is. So I think I clicked under change details and I got this page, and it gives you your Forsyth County Google Drive email address or Google email. So that's the first thing you do. You go to your Google Drive, go through It's Learning if you need to. You would go to Google Drive and It's Learning, and it will take you here. Oh, and that's another way you can see your email address right there. So you go to your Google Drive and then click on this little Google Apps button and scroll down. Actually, I'm going to go through a different drive where I don't have an account. And you will scroll down through your apps until you find the Classroom. Click on the Classroom. Oh, and I am already a member here. But if you want to join, you would click on Classroom and then join a class. And in here, join class, you would type in the code that I have sent you via your letter. So if you're Spanish 1, I will have sent you a course setup letter, which also is in It's Learning, and also I'm going to post it in the Google Classroom, but I will email this to all of you. You copy this, and then you go back to the Classroom and you paste the code here and join. Now make sure, some points that I want you to remember, make sure that you use your real last name and first name. Don't type in a nickname or some name that I'm not going to have any idea who you are. Remember which email, preferably you're using your Forsyth County email to join the class, but make sure you remember which email you use to join the class, because you will not be able to access things in the class or submit if you're not logged in through your same email address that you joined the class with. And if you accidentally set up 2 accounts or join the class twice through 2 different emails, I will let you know. You let me know which one is the real one, and I'm going to delete the other one, because I can't have 2 accounts that you're submitting things through. So that's it. If you have any other questions, just let me know.